Hey guys, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to solve a linear equation x plus 1 is equal to 0. So let's start. This is our given equation. Now to get the value of x, we will subtract 1 from the both sides. Doing that, we get x plus 1 minus 1 in the left side, and in the right hand side we get 0 minus 1. Now look that in the left hand side plus 1 and minus 1 means 0. So we are left with x. And in the right hand side 0 minus 1 means minus 1. So finally we get x minus 1 as our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.